On September 26, 2012, Representative Randy Davis, co-chair of the Alabama Legislative Caucus, hosted a group of dignitaries and interested individuals on the floor of the Alabama House of Representatives. The purpose of this meeting was to celebrate the 75th anniversary of the Wildlife Restoration Act.
The Wildlife Restoration Act was signed into law in 1937 by President Franklin Delano Roosevelt.
A resolution passed by the Alabama House of Representatives and the Alabama Senate was presented to Gunter Guy, Commissioner of the Alabama Department of Conservation and Natural Resources, by Tim Gothard of the Alabama Wildlife Federation. Other dignitaries present at the celebration were Alabama Agriculture Commissioner John McMillan and Jim Porter, Vice President of the National Rifle Association.
You know, the Pittman-Robertson Act, many will say, is the single most successful conservation effort in U.S. history. It's a great way to support conservation. It's a great way to support Alabama's economy and make sure that the benefits of all wildlife recreation continue for future generations. Thank you very much.